December 11th, 2025 inspection and testing. Polyester striped anti-static water repellent laminated filter bags. 550 grams, 1296 pieces. Testing standard. GBT 67192009. Top reinforced with steel band and achinal top rim, coated with adhesive and marked with File Media trademark. Body hot melt. Bag length 5,500 millimeters. Bag width 205 millimeters. Reinforcement 100 millimeters. Reinforcement coated with adhesive. Single layer bottom. Test plate. Insert the bag top into the plate hole. Then place it onto the plate torque device. Tighten the bolts. Rotate the plate. If the dashboard shows a value greater than 50 kilograms, it indicates good adhesion between the plate and the bag top. Test the adhesion strength of the laminated layer. Take a piece of adhesive tape. Stick it onto the laminated bag body material. Place a 1 kilogram weight on the adhesive tape. Let it stand for 1 minute. Remove the weight. Peel off the adhesive tape. The laminated surface is considered qualified if it remains intact and undamaged. Test the water repellent performance. Secure the filter media onto the instrument. Prepare 250 milliliters of purified water. Pour all at once into the instrument. Observe. The water forms beads on the surface of the filter media. Remove the filter media and inspect the backside. The water does not penetrate the filter media. This corresponds to a water repellency rating of level 5. Test the thermal shrinkage of the filter media. Cut a 200,200 millimeters piece of the filter media. Place in an oven at 150 C. Wait for 90 minutes according to the national standard. At the instantaneous test temperature, the thermal shrinkage in the warp direction shall be as less than or equal to 1.5%. The measured thermal shrinkage in the warp direction is 1%. According to the national standard, at the instantaneous test temperature, the thermal shrinkage in the WEF direction shall be as less than or equal to 1%. The measured thermal shrinkage in the WEF direction is 0.5%. Meet the national standard. The basis weight was tested in accordance with the international standard GBT 24218.1, and a measured value of 555 grams per square meter is qualified. The thickness of filter media tested in accordance with the national standard GBT 24218.2. Set the thickness gauge to 0 before measurement. Place the filter media on the thickness gauge. Thickness 2.01 millimeters. Meet national standard. Test the air permeability of the filter media tested in accordance with the national standard GBT 5453. Place the filter media on the air permeability tester. Press firmly. The air permeability is expressed in m square meters min under a pressure of 200 Pa. Meet national standard. Breaking strength and elongation at break of the filter media. Tested in accordance with the international standard GBT 3923.1. Cut filter media samples of 520 cm along both the warp and weft directions. Place the sample on the tensile testing machine. Clamp it securely into the national standard. The tensile strength in the warp direction shall be is greater than or equal to 900 N, and the elongation at break shall be 30%. Measured tensile strength in the warp direction is 898.7 N, and the elongation at break is 22.9%. According to the national standard, the tensile strength in the weft direction shall be is greater than or equal to 1 N, and the elongation at break shall be is less than or equal to 50%. The average measured tensile strength in the weft direction is 108.9 now. The elongation at break is 49.2%.